2012 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates. The Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, keyless start, 5-piece automatic transmission with overdrive, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. Come take a test drive today.